This morning we're here with the Boston Tea Party ships at the nation's oldest shipyard in Gloucester, Massachusetts. Behind you see we've got the Beaver. This is the Tea Party ship that's been in Boston since 1973. And at this point we're doing a pretty massive overhaul. The vessel's 103 years old. It was built in Denmark as the Arrow and was sailed over here for the first event for the bicentennial. Today we are putting on a new plank on one side, and we'll take a walk through and we'll show you around here. What we're doing here is the Beaver had a few bad frames in it. We had to take some frames out, and also we've got a couple of planks that needed to be replaced. So we've got the new frames in, and we're just about to hang the plank. So guys, go ahead and get the plank up there. We're trying to get the plank here fitted, and John's going to put another clamp in here. Ed's going to pull it in. The drill bit is used, and it's got a counterbore mounted on the drill bit, so it can drill two holes at the same time. John's going to drive 6-inch spikes. These are galvanized spikes, which are very similar to the spikes that would have been used when the boat was first built. This plank we're hanging is one of 14 new planks we have to put in the vessel. Previous haul out, we did all the topside planks, which are over 100 new planks. When we get done, this vessel is going to be pretty close to about 50% rebuilt. Doing the rebuilding gives us the opportunity to make the Beaver more historically accurate. And one of the things we're doing here is we have a lot of work to do on the transom, where we had a lot of bad material. And so we're reshaping the transom, and the area below the windows is called the quarter gallery. Rob Stevens is making a pattern, and this is for the underpinnings of the quarter gallery here. All these pieces have to be shaped and fitted individually. As I said, the Beaver has been in Boston since 1973, and it's been the only tea ship at the site. When the new site opens, we're going to have both the Beaver, and also we're doing work on the Eleanor. The Eleanor is another vessel that we're recreating here, and she was recreated from an old fishing vessel called the Vincienne, and was built back in 1936. It was basically a sailing hull that we're modifying to be the second Tea Party ship, the Eleanor. And end up being 3 vessels in Boston, the last being the Dartmouth, which we'll build from scratch after these other 2 vessels are finished. So for now, this is basically what we're doing here in Gloucester, and in the coming episodes we'll be going more inside the vessels, and we'll show you in more detail how we're turning these old fishing vessels into historically accurate recreations of ships for the Boston Tea Party.